Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am Ashley Marie. I specialize in vintage hair, makeup, and fashion with a little bit of a modern twist, so please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. Okay dolls, so today I have this Christmas look, and I know you're gonna be like, okay, that's not a Christmas look, that's more of a New Year's Eve look. But I wanted to be over the top for Christmas this time, especially since I hadn't been in the mood to get ready and get dressed, but I got this dress and it is just perfection. I love it. But before we get into this video, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Sundance Now. If you've never heard of Sundance Now is an ad-free streaming service created by AMC Networks for people who appreciate riveting storytelling and fresh perspectives. And you all know I am a sucker for streaming services. I am hooked on shows, movies, especially when I'm getting ready. I'm always watching something. The hit British series A Discovery of Witches is the perfect mix of period drama, romance, and edge of your seat thriller. Seasons 1 and 2 are streaming now, and season 3 is coming right around the corner in January, which I can't wait for. You can find your next streaming obsession and you can cancel at any time. Sundance Now is your home for prestige drama, international thrillers, true crime, and more, with original films on there as well. And the cost membership is as low as $4.99 a month. And you can try Sundance Now free for 30 days by going to sundancenow.com and use my promo code Ashley Marie. Sundance Now has weekly releases and hundreds of exclusive shows from around the world that you will not find anywhere else. One great series that I know many of you will enjoy is Shadowlines. Based in the 1950s, the Cold War, World War II, Shadowlines is a dazzling international espionage thriller that follows a secret intelligence team whose mission is to defend the independence of Finland no matter what cost. So go to sundancenow.com and start binge watching your favorite show. Click the link in my bio and be sure to use my coupon code Ashley Marie. Thank you so much, Sundance Now, for sponsoring this video. Alright dolls, I'm going to get my show started and we are going to get into this Get Ready With Me. Okay dolls, now starting with my hair, I am parting at the bottom section first, and then I'm taking about 1-inch sections and using these salon care clips that I got at Sally Beauty and just curling those sections. And that curling iron is a 3/4 inch curling iron. So once I'm done with the lower portion, I part on the sides, and then I do some other smaller sections. Usually I divide those into 3 other sections, and then once I'm done with the sides, I'll part in the back and work my way up to the crown. Once I get to the crown, here is where I am curling my bang portion. So I always like to curl my bangs in the direction that I want them to lay. And this is what you should have so far. Now moving on to makeup, I am taking this Luminous Matte Foundation by Huda Beauty and mixing it with my KVD Beauty Lock-It Foundation. And the reason I'm doing this is because the Huda Beauty is too dark and the KVD is too light. So I mixed them both to make the perfect combination. And I didn't want them going to waste. Now I'm setting it with my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Then I'm going in with my Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Tinted Volumizing Brow Gel. And now I'm going in with this Ultimate Brow Retractable Eyebrow Pencil from Wet n Wild. It was too light, so then I went back in with another Wet n Wild. This is actually an eyeliner. This is the color Icon, but I'm using it for my brows. And then taking a flat brush and or eyeliner brush and just cleaning that up. Now I'm taking this Carrie D Beauty Pre Eyeshadow and applying that all over my lid. Now going in with my Urban Decay Naked palette, this is the shade Fly By, the Honey palette, sorry, not the Naked palette. Then I'm going in that Sweet palette, going in with that same palette. I am using the shade Sweet and applying that as the transition shade. And then going in with this darker shade in that same palette. Now I'm going with my Marc Jacobs Beauty Glambition palette and taking this bronzy gold shimmer shade and applying that on my lid. Then going back to the Honey palette, I am using the shade Drip and just applying that on the outer corner. And then I'm going in with that darker shade that I used in that same palette, and then going in with the dark brown shade called Sting. Then just going in with a black shadow and kind of lining that and making a smudged wing. Then I'm taking this bronzy shade again from the Marc Jacobs palette and applying that on my lower lash line. Then going in with Sting and only applying that on the outer corner, and then going back in with a black shade and applying that on the outer corner. Here I'm just taking a white eyeliner pencil and lining my waterline just to open those eyes up a little bit more. Going with this NYX Cosmetics Epic Wear eyeliner, I'm only applying it on the outer corners and then making that a dramatic line. And I don't recommend this eyeliner. I miss their matte liquid liner. Then creating a pointed wing on the inner corner. So I don't apply the eyeliner all over my lid. It just kind of makes my eyes appear a bit larger. And now I'm going in with this Urban Decay Stay Naked Threesome. First I went in with the bronzer, then the blush, then the highlight in that same palette. Going in with NYX Cosmetics Lip Liner in a deep purple, applying that on my outer line. And then taking KVD Beauty Outlaw Lipstick. These lashes, I don't have a name for them. I'm so sorry. I bought them at a little shop and I don't know what they are. Then just going in with some mascara and applying that on the lower lash line, and this is the makeup look. Moving on to hair, I'm going to start unpinning the bottom portion, and I'm just using a teasing comb and just really teasing the crap out of that lower portion. Then taking a bobby pin, I'm rolling that hair under and taking a bobby pin. This is going to help with that page boy look. Then taking the sides, only the two side clips, unpinning those and teasing the hair and rolling down and pinning again. So you should have something like this. Then I'm going to unpin all the other sections and then run my fingers through it and just break up all those curls. Then this top portion where the crown is at, I'm just teasing it so it blends in better. And then I'm brushing down into the curls and then using these duckbill clips. And I'm stopping right here and I'm going to try apply duckbill clips all the way around like this. Then going in with my miso brush, I am going to start forming that page boy. So I'm just brushing the hair around that teased portion. That's going to help give it that fluffy, round look. Then once I get it the way I like it, I am taking my Chi hairspray and applying that. And then setting it with a blow dryer. That way the hairspray doesn't weigh down. And this is what you should have so far. Now moving on to my bangs, I am going to tease my bangs, all the sections. And then taking this soft bristle brush, I'm just combing that through. This one I bought at Target a long time ago. Then I'm going to use my hands to help shape and not lose the volume in my bangs. And I'm then switching to the miso brush. Now I'm spraying some hairspray. And then I'm going to work on giving this front portion a little more volume, then taking a duckbill clip so I don't lose that volume, and just clean everything up, and I'm going to let that set and dry. Then I'm going to start pulling out these duckbill clips, spraying hairspray here, and then I'm going to pin that with a bobby pin. And now I'm going to start taking out all the duckbill clips. Once I take them all out, I'm just going to take this small little brush and comb through where the clips were so you don't have that rugged, or you don't see the marks. See how you can see the marks right here? If I take this brush, I just comb through it a little bit and it'll disappear. Here I'm taking this little pin that I bought a while ago at some little fashion store, and this is the look for the hair. Moving on to the outfit, this is the Christina lace back velvet dress that I bought at Windsor. It was only $69. I am obsessed. It is a beautiful reddish, burgundy-ish color, but the back has sort of like that corseted lace back. I'm obsessed. It cinches me in. It is so beautiful. I've worn it a few times already and I always get compliments. So here is a close look. It just screams elegance and the color is so rich. And then these heels, they look messed up, but that's because they are true vintage. These side heels that I bought at GLAM Factory in Vegas. So that is it for today's video, my loves. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know what look you would like to see next. Thank you so much again for watching. I love you, dolls, and I will see you soon. Bye, loves.